Okay, question number 21. A wave travels on the surface of a water. PQRS are the four particles of water on the surface. Okay, PQRS are four particles. The diagram shows the position of the particles at one instant, at a given instant. What do you mean by this? Which means that you have a wave going like this. You take a camera, you just take a snapshot of it. Okay, so you saw these particles which have been arranged like this. Direction of travel of the wave is from left to right. Now it is like this over here. Now what do you think can happen? Okay, now as the particle goes, which two particles are about to move upwards? Now the question is that, and when the moment you took the photo, this was the distribution. But next instant, okay, what could happen to the particles? Which of these particles will be moving upwards? Some of them will be moving upwards, some of them will be moving downwards. Now let us understand what can happen. See, the profile of this looks like this. See, when this is the first wave going like this, after 1 second, this wave would have been here. Do you agree? This is the wave that could have been here like this or here. It would have been like this. Right? It would have been like this. And then it will go like this. The peak would be displaced like this over here. And this will again, once again, come like this, downward like this. And this peak would have been happened over here and it would go like this. This is what is the second wave that can happen. Now, as a result of it, when the wave is going, so if you take the camera and click it once again, you'll be able to see it. That means the the particle at point P will appear here, which means what? The particle P has come downwards, Okay, P has come downwards. Then what about Q? Q, which was supposed to be at 0, okay, if I drop a perpendicular here, now you see Q appears to be here, which means Q has moved a little bit upwards. Q has moved a little bit upwards. Now what about R? See, R, so where does it intersect? If you can always argue saying that I'll put a line like this. Does it intersect the profile here? It doesn't intersect. It will intersect only here. It will intersect only here. Which means what? You are drawing an arrow like this over here, right? So which means R is moving downwards. R is moving downwards. What about S? See, S for example, you can draw a perpendicular here. So S is drawn perpendicular here. So what happens over here? You see, it is moving upwards. S is moving upwards over here. So which are moving upwards? Q and S are moving upwards. So answer is D over here. Okay.